Steering wheel control tips. Driving with two hands. 1. Importance of proper steering technique. Mastering the art of proper steering is far more than just keeping your vehicle on the road. It's about embracing an essential dance with safety and precision at its core. In a world where split-second decisions can mean the difference between a serene ride home and an unwanted detour into peril, understanding and implementing correct steering techniques elevates your driving from mere transportation to an act of safeguarded artistry. Steering with both hands not only optimizes control over your vehicle, allowing for smoother transitions and reactions, but also significantly reduces fatigue and the risk of injuries during sudden maneuvers. By engaging in this nuanced symphony of hand placement and movement, drivers unlock a deeper connection to their vehicles, transforming everyday journeys into finely tuned expeditions guided by awareness and finesse. 2. The basics of two-handed steering. Mastering the art of two-handed steering is akin to becoming a concert pianist, where each hand plays a critical role in creating a harmonious journey. Holding the steering wheel with both hands at the 9 and 3 positions, reminiscent of clock hands, offers unparalleled control and responsiveness. This stance not only ensures that your vehicle remains an extension of your body but also optimizes reaction times to unexpected events on the road, such as sudden swerves or obstacle avoidance maneuvers. Embedding this technique into your driving habits illuminates a path towards safer navigation through the unpredictable rhythm of traffic. It's about embracing the idea that with both hands engaged, you're not just steering. You're crafting an intimate bond with your car, allowing for a dance where every turn and twist is precise and intentional. Beyond mere control, it's about instilling confidence behind the wheel, knowing that in moments of potential chaos, you possess the calm assertiveness needed to guide yourself and passengers safely onwards. Two-handed steering isn't just a basic skill, it's an ethos for responsible driving. 3. Optimal hand positions on the wheel. Optimal hand positions on the wheel aren't just about comfort. They're the crux of your reaction capability and control precision while maneuvering. Traditionally taught as the 10 and 2 position, akin to clock hands, experts are now advocating for a slightly lower grip, the 9 and 3 alignment. This shift isn't arbitrary. It's grounded in enhancing driver safety and vehicle responsiveness. By positioning hands at 9 and 3, you ensure that airbag deployment doesn't force your arms into a dangerous encounter with your face or torso, thereby mitigating injury risk. Moreover, this placement gives you balanced leverage to make smoother turns without oversteering or understeering, crucial in unexpected road situations. But let's delve deeper than mere positioning. Consider the way your hands interact with the steering wheel's circumference. The adoption of a firm yet relaxed grip is fundamental. This nuanced approach allows for rapid adjustments while minimizing fatigue during long drives. In essence, mastering optimal hand positions transitions from traditional driving formality to an essential tactic for modern driving dynamics. It harmonizes safety protocols with ergonomic principles, ensuring that control over your vehicle feels intuitive rather than forced. A pivotal evolution in how we engage with the very act of driving. 4. Adjusting grip for enhanced vehicle control. Adjusting your grip on the steering wheel can profoundly affect vehicle control, transforming an ordinary ride into a mastery of maneuverability. Imagine the steering wheel as a clock. For optimal control, experts often recommend positioning your hands at 9 and 3 o'clock. This placement isn't just about comfort. It fundamentally enhances your ability to both steer smoothly and respond swiftly to unexpected situations. The leverage you gain at these points allows for more nuanced control over the car, enabling fine-tuning of direction that is not as easily achieved with other hand positions. Beyond static grip, dynamic adjustments are crucial during diverse driving scenarios. As roads twist and turn or when evasive maneuvers become necessary, shifting your grip while maintaining the 9 and 3 alignment ensures that your hands never cross over one another, a practice that significantly reduces reaction times while increasing precision. Embracing this technique fosters not only better vehicle command but also promotes safer driving habits by preparing you to efficiently handle sudden road challenges without losing composure or control. This subtle yet powerful shift in how one interacts with the steering mechanism invites a symbiotic relationship between driver and machine, paving the way for an elevated driving experience that prioritizes safety through improved vehicular command. 5. Steering techniques for different driving conditions. Mastering the art of steering through varied driving conditions is akin to being fluent in a language that lets you converse effortlessly with the road. When navigating slippery surfaces, for instance, your hands should dance lightly on the wheel. This light touch allows for quick adjustments. Imagine making minute corrections as you glide over ice rather than gripping fiercely in fear. It's a subtle yet pivotal shift that minimizes the risk of overcorrection and loss of control. Conversely, when maneuvering through high winds or tackling rough terrain, your approach must evolve. Here, a firmer grip secures your course but requires an increased level of finesse to avoid fatigue and maintain responsiveness. Envision anchoring yourself amidst chaos with just enough pressure to stay grounded without negating the need for swift adaptability. Steering in diverse conditions isn't just about change. It's about precision-calibrated adjustments made possible by understanding and responding to the language of the landscape beneath your wheels. 6. The role of thumb placement in steering. Consider, for a moment, the unassuming role played by your thumbs while driving. Often overlooked, thumb placement on the steering wheel is not merely a detail but a cornerstone of vehicle control and safety. The traditional 9 and 3 o'clock positions are advocated not just for their comfort but for the superior control they offer during unforeseen maneuvers. Herein lies an often missed insight. With thumbs gently wrapped around the steering wheel spokes, drivers can leverage additional grip and precision, making subtle adjustments without compromising on responsiveness or stability. Furthermore, this nuanced approach to steering allows for an ergonomic advantage, reducing fatigue during long drives and enhancing overall vehicle handling. It's about finding that sweet spot where comfort meets control, where each turn of the wheel is both a calculated decision and an intuitive reaction. This synergy between human touch and mechanical feedback transforms driving from a mundane task to an engaged interaction. Proof that sometimes, it's the smallest details that have the most significant impact on our driving experience. 7. Mastering control for safer driving. Mastering control over your vehicle is more than just a matter of convenience. It's a critical component of safe driving that cannot be understated. Steering with both hands isn't just about following the rules of the road. It's about being prepared for any situation that arises unexpectedly. When you have full control over your steering, you transform unpredictable scenarios into manageable ones, ensuring not only your safety but also that of everyone else on the road. This mastery equips you with the agility to navigate through sudden obstacles, maintain stability during adverse weather conditions, and execute emergency maneuvers with precision. The journey towards becoming a proficient driver who embodies safety and confidence behind the wheel starts with embracing these steering wheel control tips. Remember, it's not solely about how we maneuver in perfect conditions but how well we adapt and respond when faced with challenges. By committing to driving with two hands on the wheel and integrating these principles into our daily driving habits, we contribute to a safer driving environment for all. It's through these individual commitments to safety that we collectively pave the way toward reduced accident rates and a culture of responsible driving.